Hey, today we are looking at a cool new set of tools. This is as far as I know, a newer type of tool. I don't see too many of them. I don't think there's a lot of companies making them yet. What we're looking at today is an open flex head ratcheting wrench set from the brand ANBULL, which is ANBULL. So you're going to see how this works. Really, it's a way to be able to access bolts, with a wrench that, going through a hose essentially. So let's check this out. This is the 12-piece flex head. They call it like a tubing ratcheting combination wrench set. So we've got 8 through 19 millimeter metric here. So you open up the case. So it's a nice case, but then what I really like is you've got this nice, way of storing your wrenches. If you want to put them in a drawer, you've got this nice foam cutout that'll fit nicely in any drawer, minus the plastic case if you don't need to use that. And I like that. I like to have these nice cases for my different tools. So let's take a look at it. We'll grab out the biggest one, the 19. So, much like a flex head ratcheting wrench, it's got your flex, right? Your flex head, so you get that full 180 degrees there. But then you see right here, you can go ahead and you could insert around a tube to access any sort of nut. And then you can just go ahead and start going, right? One thing I like too, just they give you a little clue, like here's your little arrow, so you know if you're on the right side to tighten or loosen. So that's kind of cool. You don't see that on all of the ratcheting wrenches, and just a nice little touch that makes it a little easier to know what you're doing, so you don't accidentally start trying to tighten and then you can't and whatnot. So a 72 tooth design, and you only need 5-degree swing arc. So for narrow spaces, it should certainly help you be able to get in there, to be able to turn. Again, you've got that really nice flex head. You can see they're made of that nice CRV chrome. So good, solid materials that they're made out of right there. This is a nice set that it comes with so many of them. You've got a full 12-piece metric set here, so everything you really need. Great for plumbing, obviously great for automobile maintenance, even electrical maintenance. So in my case, I'm not a professional mechanic, but I could certainly see these coming in handy for do-it-yourself projects, around plumbing, where you need to get in there and you want to access a bolt that has, some sort of pipe running to it. Of course, you always can use an open-end wrench, but a ratcheting wrench just makes it a bit easier. So again, this brand is ANBULL, ANBULL. ANBULL makes other socket sets. They've got some jumbo socket sets, some other impact socket sets, that kind of stuff, and other tools. And again, this set appears to be really nice. 12 pieces, 8 millimeters, all the way through 19 millimeters flex head, open-end design. So if this would be a useful tool, this type of tool, I think you should check out this item. Thanks.